My name's Owen Griffiths and I'm on the UAL Foundation Diploma Level 3, specialising in sculpture.
My name's Anna and I'm studying the UAL Foundation Diploma.
My name is Susanne and I studied the UAL Foundation Diploma in Art and Design.
I came here actually after S5. I did my higher exams and I chose to leave school a year early and come here instead of at S6.
Before I started the course, I was actually taking a bit of a gap year, trying to establish my own practice.
Before starting the course, well, I have a background in architecture and costume design as well, but before coming here I lived in France for a year to do a voluntary service.
Really enjoyed myself, especially with the range of galleries we have in Edinburgh, and also the college being so central to Edinburgh. It means that you can kind of get around and see a lot of different creative exhibitions.
There's always quite a good buzz in Edinburgh. For me personally, a lot of my art focuses around daily life and maybe tasks that are often seen as mundane. So I often really enjoy going into city centre and just people watching.
I did move around quite a bit and experienced lots of different cultures, I would say, but coming to Scotland was really, in a way it felt like coming home. It felt as if my creative practice was supposed to take its next steps here.
The freedom which I've been given on the course to work independently has been great, because coming from school I was in a really structured setting where you're told what to do and then you do it, whereas here I've been able to just explore my own work and my own creative practice, which has resulted in the work that I'm most proud of to date.
Coming into the course, I wasn't sure what I'd like to specialise in, so being able to try all different specialisms like painting, sculpture, textiles, viscom, for me it was just so enjoyable to be able to try all different areas of art and design, to be able to experiment and really push all of the boundaries to determine where I felt my practice naturally sat.
I think for me it was really all about placing myself in a safe environment that allowed me to create and discover what I wanted to do as an artist.
I would definitely recommend studying at Edinburgh College, just due to how lovely all the people who study here are, as well as the lecturers. And next year I'm going to go to study at Central St Martin's in London to study architecture.
100% I'd recommend studying here. It's been nothing but exciting, enjoyable. The tutors are fantastic. They are constantly behind you and they're always challenging you, pushing you to do the very best you can.
I would absolutely recommend studying here. It's been amazing. I think both the other students I got the chance to study with and call my friends now, as well as the lecturers, they were all so helpful, so supportive. It's so funny to me that a year ago, if someone would have told me that I'm capable of producing all these kinds of things, I would have said what? No, really? I'm going to go on and study painting and printmaking at Glasgow School of Art.